Today we're checking out two of my favourite low poly 3D prints from this year, and these were both designed by Arnie86. You'll find a link to all the free files in the description below. And what these are items from the GoldenEye Nintendo 64 game, and initially they look cool. They're low polygon versions of real life items, but of course these are things that were never meant to actually appear in real life. They were always meant to just be in a computer game, but someone has gone ahead and made these low poly models of them. They can also be put together with no glue, and you can fully break them back apart again. They're really incredibly well made. Not only that, one of the items has a moving part, and the other one has two detachable parts. And I've got to say, since I made them, I have been fidgeting with them quite a bit, and they're just really nice to mess around with. I would say, and I'd recommend, if you go ahead and make these yourself, try and print them at like 110% because they do feel a little bit too small in the hand. And I think these would also make incredibly good gifts. You'd probably give them completely disassembled and then help the person actually put them together. And of course, preferably they're a big fan of GoldenEye and would love to get something like this. And there's another 3D model for GoldenEye that I'd recommend too that you should check out if you've got a big enough 3D printer, and it's for the RCP90. This thing looks amazing, but unfortunately it's just too big for my printer to handle. But I absolutely love the stylized version of it, and if I ever get a bigger printer where I can go ahead and print this, I will 100% probably do this as the very first thing. So that is two of my favorite items I've printed off this year, plus a third that I haven't done, but I hope to do in the future. But I definitely recommend them. They were so much fun to print off earlier in the year. And like I say, I still fidget with them. So they're really good little fidget toys as well. And they just seem very unique. They're of course made to be low poly because they were in an old game. They were never made to be a physical item. And now that they are, it's just kind of cool to have them. Anyway guys, let me know what you think of these items in the comments below, and I'll catch you next time.